What does it take to create something truly extraordinary? Welcome to TechVerse, where innovation comes to life. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't just a smartphone. It's a masterpiece of engineering, where every component has a purpose. Let's start with what you see. 5 revolutionary camera lenses, each precision crafted to capture life in stunning detail. Ultra-wide landscapes, 200 megapixel clarity, and periscope telephoto that brings distant subjects impossibly close. Behind them, AI-powered sensors process light at incredible speeds. Night mode that transforms darkness. Portrait mode that rivals professional cameras. This is photography reimagined. Now, witness the brain of this machine. The most advanced mobile processor ever created, built on 3-nanometer architecture. Billions of transistors working in perfect harmony. Watch as power flows through these golden circuits. Graphics that rival gaming consoles. AI that predicts your next move. Performance that never compromises. See this intelligent battery system take its place. 5,500 milliamp hours of sustained energy. 50% charge in just 15 minutes. Power that adapts to your life. If you're loving this deep dive, subscribe to TechVerse and hit that notification bell. All this power needs cooling. Watch the advanced vapor chamber assemble. Graphite thermal layers that keep performance consistent no matter how hard you push it. Aerospace-grade titanium frame. Lighter than steel, stronger than aluminum. Gorilla Glass Victus 3 gliding into position. Engineering obsessed with every detail. The S Pen takes its place. 4,096 levels of pressure sensitivity. Your thoughts translated to digital perfection. Now the display assembly. 6.9 inches of dynamic AMOLED brilliance. 144 Hz adaptive refresh rate. Scrolling like silk, gaming with zero lag. 2,600 nits of peak brightness cutting through sunlight. Over 1 billion colors bringing your world to life. Watch as every component locks into place. The click of perfection. Camera to processor, processor to display. Everything working as one. IP68 water and dust resistance seals it all in. Protection from life's unexpected moments. The final assembly. Rear panel sealing the internals. Camera array sitting proud. S Pen clicking into its holster. See it rotate in champagne gold glory. The flowing energy celebrating this moment of creation. Built for creators who demand the best. Built for professionals who need uncompromising performance. Built for you. This is the future of mobile technology. This is what Ultra truly means. Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Innovation assembled. Thanks for watching TechVerse. Like this video, share it with fellow tech enthusiasts, and check out our playlist for more cutting-edge technology breakdowns. Subscribe to TechVerse and explore the future with us. Watch more related content right here on our channel.